Is Krea AI taking forever to generate images or videos? Slow processing can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to create content quickly. In this guide, I'll show you the most effective ways to speed up Krea AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, consider that the issue may not be on your side. During peak hours, Krea AI servers can experience heavy demand, causing longer generation times for everyone. Next, refresh the page and start a new generation. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause requests to become stuck in processing. Very detailed prompts may require more processing time. Try shortening your prompt and removing unnecessary details. Yeah, simpler requests can often generate faster. If you're generating large images, try using smaller dimensions first. Lower resolutions generally process faster and can be enhanced later if needed. Running dozens of tabs at once can slow down your browser and affect performance. Close applications and tabs you aren't using before generating content. A stable internet connection is important for uploading requests and receiving results. Run a quick speed test and make sure your network isn't experiencing interruptions. If processing feels unusually slow, try switching browsers. Sometimes browser-specific issues or extensions can affect how AI tools perform. I mean, it's a quick test that's worth trying. One simple trick is to use Krea AI when fewer people are online. Early mornings or quieter periods often result in faster generation speeds. Depending on your subscription plan, processing priority may vary. Review your account limits and available features to see whether faster generation options are included. And that's how to fix slow processing in Krea AI in 2026. Most delays can be reduced by simplifying prompts, lowering resolution settings, and avoiding peak server hours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.